Do you ever feel like you're not living up to your potential? Do you find yourself struggling with stress, anxiety, or negative thinking patterns? What if I told you there's a way to hack your brain and achieve personal growth while you sleep? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of lucid dreaming and how it can be the ultimate hack for personal development. First things first, let's define lucid dreaming. Simply put, it's a state of consciousness where you become aware that you're dreaming and can control the dream environment. It's like having a superpower that allows you to explore the depths of your subconscious mind and overcome personal barriers. In a lucid dream, you can do anything you want. Fly like a superhero, travel to different dimensions, or even confront your fears and anxieties head-on. It's an incredibly powerful tool for personal growth and problem-solving. But how do you actually start lucid dreaming? The key is to practice reality checks and develop a habit of questioning your surroundings. Ask yourself throughout the day, am I dreaming right now? If you make this a habit, you'll eventually do it in your dreams and become aware that you're dreaming. Another important practice is keeping a dream journal. This helps you remember your dreams and identify recurring themes or symbols that can point to deeper psychological patterns. By understanding your dreams, you can better understand yourself. Now, let's talk about how lucid dreaming can help with personal development. By confronting your fears and anxieties in a lucid dream, you can desensitize yourself to those triggers and overcome them in real life. You can also practice new skills, like public speaking or athletic abilities, without the fear of failure. Lucid dreaming can also be a powerful tool for problem solving. By visualizing and experimenting with different scenarios in a dream, you can come up with creative solutions to real-life challenges. Many successful people, like Thomas Edison and Salvador Dali, used lucid dreaming to enhance their creativity and problem-solving abilities. So, as you can see, lucid dreaming is not just a fun hobby, but a powerful tool for personal growth and problem-solving. If you're interested in exploring this fascinating world, start practicing reality checks and keeping a dream journal. Who knows what you might discover in the depths of your subconscious mind? Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.